Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deanna Marie. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning back in. If you're new here and you like videos on cleaning, organization, and lifestyle, I hope you like my videos enough to hit the subscribe button on your way out, as well as the notification button so that you don't miss any uploads. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul and a refrigerator clean out. So let's get right into the video. So for this grocery haul, I went to Publix and Walmart. I got blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, and 3 packages of the blueberries. They had a pretty decent sale on their fresh fruit and vegetables. I also got spinach and shredded collard greens. I've never had this type before, so we'll see. Ground chicken, shrimp for shrimp tacos. We also got salmon and almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. I also got blueberry waffles, chicken breast. I picked up a 4-pack of cheese pizza for lunches, some Rice Krispie treats, eggs, Frosted Flakes cereal. Also, the salad was also on sale. Macaroni and cheese, Ritz crackers, sugar, a big thing of sugar, coffee, lemons for lemon water. This is a 2-week grocery haul. I've been doing 2-week grocery hauls since the shut-in. I am normally a weekly shopper, and I haven't yet mastered the idea of planning a meal for 2 weeks, let alone shopping for it. So these are like random things that I was thinking about at the time, actually. Chips, potatoes. A lot of it is also like just staples we have, as far as like the chips and the Kool-Aid and the fruit. Stevia tea for my daughter, she loves tea. Greek yogurt. Fiber One bars was another thing on the list that I'm excited to try. Cookies for the cookie jar. That's another staple. Fries. Honey. These crab legs be our first time having them. Has anybody had Walmart's crab legs? Drop a link down below if you have. And how did they taste? These are the waters that I get from my daughter's flavored water. She loves them. Doesn't know the difference, that they're just water and not Capri Sun juice. So yeah, the first half of my cleaning part of the refrigerator got cut off somehow, and I could not find the footage of it. So that's why you see me starting down here at the bottom.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN.
I think I may need to turn my refrigerator down just a little bit. It had like mist and fog, as if the things down there were freezing.
Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN.
Now we're just gonna start with the doorway. Just gonna throw out any items that may be outdated or have very little to nothing in them, and then I'm gonna give those doors a good clean out as well. I'm just using actual soap and water to clean it out. No sprays or anything like that.
Open up, tell you out for pocket ball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up, open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tell you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up, open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up.
Yeah, this door was like so disrespectful. It kept closing on me. I had to keep opening and closing it back. I have no idea how to keep it open.
You want BBM, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the high road and hop in. You OPN, bitch you want BBM, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the high road.
Moving right along to give the freezer a good wipe down, and it dawned on me, like, why had I been having the freezer open all this time? Some popsicles in there were starting to unthaw, so I just kind of threw those in the garbage. This is what you guys saw me scraping up. How disgusting. I think it was old ice cream or something like that.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate.
Found tons of these Crustables in the freezer. They are so many of them. I will never buy another box of Crustables from Sam's Club again.
Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch you want BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
If you have made it to this far in the video, thank you very much for tuning in. We are coming to the end of the video, and here is the results of all the hard cleaning. If you have not subscribed, please do so on your way out and hit the notification bell. I'm Deanna Marie, and I upload once a week.